cyberbullying, social media bullying that extends beyond the school day or even takes place off school property. So let's say that there is bullying going on at school, but then it's extended past the school day. How does liability factor in there?
School liability generally attaches to what happens on campus, on school grounds. New York law has been like that for some time, but obviously society and the way in which we interact has changed and evolved and is doing so every single day. There have been some pretty tragic cases throughout the state recently. Cyberbullying elements came into play. There was a very tragic case way out in Western New York involving a teenager who committed suicide after getting some very unpleasant, very uncomfortable Instagram post. But that was after school. In fact, that was after the school year had shortly concluded. And unfortunately, he took his own life. His mother brought a lawsuit for wrongful death, naming the school district as the primary defendant, along with some of the administration members, essentially arguing that they had reason to know that something was going on between her son and the bully. The court there found, it was an appellate division court, so it's a level of court beyond just the trial level, held that yes, the school could be found negligent in that circumstance because things that were happening during the school year between those two children just kind of continued, even though the school year had finished and the Instagram stuff had happened after the school year had concluded. The appellate division found that there was a basis that if proven correctly at a trial, that yes, it could be that the school district could be found negligent for something like that. So it's not a perfect fit, if you will, but there are bases for cyberbullying cases to essentially be upheld and to be found in a favorable way to the victims. It's not black and white, though. So stuff like this will absolutely continue to evolve. All I can really say is that each case is going to be examined on its own facts or on a case-by-case basis, as we like to say. It's important for lawyers to tie as much conduct as possible to what's happening and transpiring on the campus, on school grounds, in order to build the strongest case.